Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you how to clean bathroom tiles and grouts. Limescale, soap scum, various products that you use for bathing, detergent cells, all this accumulates on the tiles, on the bathtub, on the glass if you have a shower cabin, or glass doors in the shower. And in this video I will show you how to make a cleaning agent that will perfectly cope with all this pollution. Now I will clean the tiles from plaque, but if you need to clean your shower or bath, then this product is perfect. My tiles are very dirty. The tile is glossy, but as you can see, the light from the lamp is practically not reflected in it. So, to clean bathroom tiles, you need 1 cup of plain white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Mix everything well, and the cleaning solution is ready. Now soak a sponge in it and wipe the tiles. If the dirt is not strong, leave for 5 minutes and you can clean the tiles and grouts. I have a lot of build-up on my tiles, so I soak paper towels in the cleaning solution and stick them on the tiles. This is the area I need to clean. Now I leave it like this for 30 minutes. After half an hour, I remove the paper towels and clean the tile with a sponge dipped in the solution that we did. Next, I rinse the tile with cool water. To keep the tile looking perfect, it needs to be wiped dry. To do this, use either a cloth that absorbs water well or a squeegee. By the way, after it is better to wipe the tile with a cloth. Well friends, I cleaned my tiles in the bathroom from plaque. Now you can see that it is glossy. See how well the lamp reflects in it. If you liked this tip, give it a thumbs up below the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.